In the archives, records remain of every building that came before, not just those torn down, but the ones that shaped civilization.
The courtyards where people gathered, the libraries where new ideas formed, the theatres where stories unfolded, the bridges that connected communities.
We didn't erase them, we folded them into the future. When we design, we don't just construct, we listen. The land remembers old foundations, and walls hold the weight of past stories. Here, construction isn't destruction, it's evolution. We grow buildings like trees stretching toward light, guiding them with the grain of the earth. Spaces adapt as people shape them. A plaza welcoming morning light becomes a stage by night. Walkways shift into galleries, the walls changing with the movement around them. Rooftops bloom into floating gardens that clean the air and generate energy. Here, architecture isn't fixed, it morphs, extends, regenerates, responding to people, climate, and movement. We don't build for permanence, we build for transformation.
We used to design transport for speed alone, but humans don't live limited to a timetable. Commuters in city can move in harmony. Mobility can create possibility. So we design for people, we design for planet. Trains glide on air, only slowing to match your step as you board. Walkway sensors beneath each surface adjust the speed and path. People flowing like a river of movement, working with the shape of the city. Transit is intuitive, fluid, effortless. Even in the busiest of peak hours, there are moments of pause. Time to soak in the warmth of the sun, our life-giving fuel source. Autonomous bike lanes ripple and shift, opening up new paths. In another world, people were trapped in tunnels, confined by rigid streets. Destinations were fixed. We still move fast, but our speed connects us.
The air used to be a threat. The heat, the storms, the rising tides. Always something to brace against, something to fear. But our buildings learned, and they taught us. Now they breathe. Their density shifts with the sun, thickening against the heat, thinning in the cool of evening. Walls open, close, inhale, exhale, just like lungs, just like us. When the storms come, the city does not resist. It bends, absorbs, channels the water where it's needed. Streets become streams, roofs become reservoirs, not a drop wasted. Nothing here fights nature anymore. We were never separate from it to begin with. Now we build with it, use materials that replenish themselves. Children run barefoot across the cooling pathways, their feet never burned by an overheated world. We once designed buildings as fortresses against nature. Now, they are part of it. And so, we don't just survive, we thrive.